How to watch free TV using Pluto TV application on your PC or on your Android device. This is how you can exactly do it. You just need to follow some of the steps I'm showing you in this video. Firstly, you need to install or download it to your Fire Stick. If you're using it on Fire Stick, you simply have to install a downloader application from your Fire Stick app store. So simply go on the App Store just like I'm doing it, and then download this option called downloader. Once you have downloaded it, make sure that you have downloaded the latest version of it, and then what you have to do is simply open the downloader application right on your PC or on your mobile device, and then let me just click on this app interface, and then I have to simply click on go. I have to enter this URL Pluto TV Fire Stick in this section where I'm typing this right now, and after entering it you have to verify it, and file download will process. Tap the done icon to simply remove the Pluto TV application from the Fire Stick. Now when you will delete it, you will be able to see that the confirmation will come. Click on delete and then open ExpressVPN and connect it to the US server, and then again go to the Fire Stick home icon next to the TV, and then in this option you're gonna see the Pluto TV inbuilt in your live TV. Then simply click it after using the VPN. The main thing you have to do is simply use a US VPN or the US IP address in order to use the Pluto TV application on your TV. Then you can simply stream in English.